Yo guys, Reescat here, doing a bike check on my BMX. So it is a 2018 stolen Camo X Fiction bike. I got blank stump pegs on the front and United Indirect front wheel, custom neochrome hub, and I've got a blank neochrome or oil slick stem, seal progression bars, seal BMX limited edition grips, fit bike code pedals, Cloney Metra sprocket 25 tooth, a blank 3 coaster wheel on the back, a golden double half link chain made by Colt, £45, a brake made by Blank as well, seal progression cranks, Odyssey seat. That's about it really. I've got FSA headset, but I'm swapping that soon because I'm going to get a gyroscope for it. So drop comments down below what you think about this bike. If you have any questions, I'll answer them. Have a good day, guys.